Assalamu alaikum second year class. How are you? Today's lecture that is about on page number 257, and today's lecture there is the acetic acid. The formation of acetic acid, as you know that acetic acid is the most important carboxylic acid, and it is dilute solution. The dilute solution of acetic acid is called as vinegar, and it is usually used in our daily use for the tasting of the foods. And the laboratory method of acetic acid, that is from the oxidation of ethyl alcohol acetaldehyde. Whenever alcohol that is oxidized in the presence of potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid, it will convert it into the acetaldehyde, and then further when acetaldehyde is oxidized, it's converted into the acetic acid. Now next we move in the next page, that is on 258 page. The another formation method of the acetic acid, that is the hydrolysis of the methyl nitrile nitriles. Whenever the methyl nitriles it is hydrolyzed, it converted into the acetamide, and it is converted into the further hydrolysis is converted into the acetic acid. Manufacture of acetic acid from acetylene, as you know that you have taught this reaction many times in the previous chapter. Whenever the acetaldehyde it is reacted with water in the presence of sulfuric acid and HCSO salt, will convert it into the vinyl alcohol. That vinyl alcohol and this acetaldehyde, they having the two forms, they will convertible into each other, and it will acetaldehyde then further oxidize in the presence of the vanadium pentoxide, will convert it into the acetic acid. Okay, and the next, that is the commercially used process for the production of the acetic acid or the vinegar. It is the oxidation of ethyl alcohol, and this process is also called as the fermentation, which is occur in the presence of molasses. This is the sugarcane sugar. It is oxidized by potassium dichromate in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It will convert it to the acetaldehyde, and then acetaldehyde that will further convert it on oxidation. It will convert it into the acetic acid. And what are the physical characteristics of the acetic acid? That it is a colorless liquid, and its boiling point is 118, and it has a strong odor and a sour taste. And the pure acid that is acid freeze at 17 degrees centigrade. Therefore the pure acid is also called as the glacial acetic acid. It is miscible in water and alcohol and in ether in all proportion. Then the reaction of the acetic acid that you have taught many times in the further in previous reactions. As you know that whenever an acid react with the base, it will convert it into the and salt and the water, and as well as there are the many another reaction you have taught, just like whenever an acid that is react with the any carbonate or bicarbonate, will convert it into the salt and the carbon dioxide water and carbon dioxide gas and water. And then in the last, the uses of the acetic acid. If we're talking about the uses of the acetic acid, it is actually used in our food. It is used in the pickles formation and for the flavoring of the food, and as well as it is act as the solvent in laboratories, and it is also used for the manufacturing of the organic compound, just like acetone, acetate and ester. And it is also used in the industry, rubber industry, and in industry for the manufacturing of plastic, just like vinyl acetate. And rayon and the silicone. It is also used as a local irritant in medicines. And next topic, that is the amino acids. As you know that amino acids, it is the building blocks of the protein. When large number of amino acids they are combined to each other, they form a different type of the proteins. This is the formula of the amino acids. Here the one carboxylic acid, this is the derivative of the carboxylic acid, okay, amino acids, because the hydrogen atom that is replaced with the amine group, therefore it is also called as the derivative of the carboxylic acid. And it is overall it is neutral, because this is the one acid and another is a base, and therefore it overall effect that is the neutral. Okay, the different type of the amino acids are present. There are 20 types of the amino acids are exist in the living organisms, and there are two types of amino acids on the basis of their essentiality, or one is the essential and another is the non-essential. These are the amino acids which cannot be produced by our body. We must have to take it along with our diet. If we will not take these essential amino acids, then we will cause the different type of the diseases. Different types of the diseases will occur in our body. And another type is the non-essential. These are the amino acids, they can generated or produced by our body. If we not take these amino acids along with our diet, then doesn't matter, our body can generate them. Okay, the nomenclature, as far as we concerned, the nomenclature of the amino acids, that usually the amino acids they are giving the name on the basis of their uh, uh, tribal names. Okay, as you know that the one that is the glycine, it is due to the name of its sweet taste, and the triosine, it is on the name of the its source, from where it is discovered for firstly in the formally in the first time it is generated from. We can say that the origin from where it is generated, the name of the amino acids are also on the basis of their history. Triosine, it is derived firstly from the cheese, therefore its name is triosine. That is on the basis of Greek name of the cheese. Okay, this is all about today's lecture. Inshallah, in next lecture we will proceed next the next topic. Allah Hafiz, take care.